This video tutorial explains how to wire control the TILTA Nucleus-M motor using a CINENORM Series monitor. Prepare a 7-pin LEMO to 5-pin aviation control cable and connect it to the UART port of the monitor and the X port of the FORCEM motor. Attach the motor gear to the focus ring track of the lens, press the power button, and the motor will power on and begin automatic focus calibration. Once calibration is complete, turn on the monitor. Click the external device connection icon, then select motor. When the monitor detects the motor, the connection is successful. Drag the slider on the left to change the focus point. On the right side, you can switch between motors and set AB focus points for automatic movement. To use the AB focus point auto feature, drag the left slider to any position and click A to set it as point A. Then drag the slider to another position and click B to set it as point B. Click travel duration to set the time for moving from point A to B or B to A. Click a B to start the travel. If you are using 2 or more motors connected in series, you can switch between them on the right side. For example, to control the zoom ring of the lens, click Zoom No 2, and you can then use the left slider on the monitor to control the lens zoom. That concludes the tutorial on wiring controlling the TILTA Nucleus-M motor with a CINENORM Series monitor.